How to build a free online store with BigCartel. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can build your own free online store with BigCartel. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply come to BigCartel.com. BigCartel is an amazing platform that allows you to create your own online store, sell your work, and run a creative business. We are going to be creating our store on BigCartel. So before we start signing up and creating our store, let me show you the pricing real quick so you have an idea. So you can see right here the BigCartel is completely free if you're going for 5 products and no credit card needed, and it has gold features. For example, 1 image per product, free customizable themes, sell online and in person, real-time sales, use a custom domain, and shipment tracking, a product option grips, sales tax, autopilot. So that is pretty good. Then we have a plan which is 50 products and it is going to be $10 per month, no listing fee, and you can sign up free. Of course, platinum features with 5 images per product and free customizable themes and bulk editing, theme coding, Google Analytics. So these are pretty cool features that are offered in this plan. And then we have the 500 product plan, which is going to be $20 per month, no listing fee, sign up now, diamond features, 5 images per product, real-time stats, and then use a custom domain, theme code editing, Google Analytics, inventory tracking, bulk editing, shipment tracking, sales text, autopilot. So these are the different plans that you can go for. The pricing is pretty reasonable and the features that are offered are pretty good. So I am going to use the free plan and create my store with BigCartel. So what happens is I can either log in or sign up. So let me show you how you actually sign up with your BigCartel. You simply click on sign up. There you go. And I have to sign up for free. I will choose this plan. So to sign up, what you have to do is you have to add your email address, your password, shop name, and shop URL. You have to add these 4 things and click on sign up, and your account will be created on BigCartel. So once you have added all of the information, what happens is now you have your own URL that is created by a BigCartel. That is pretty good. Now this one I think is not available. So what I have to do is, okay, it's the Grammarly that is showing this. Okay, so this is the URL that it has been created. I will simply click on sign up. Okay, they're saying that this URL has been taken. So I will go with caps lock maybe. Okay, they will not allow that. Okay, let's go for sway closet. This one is available, so I will click on sign up. So I have changed my URL so it can be available, and now I am simply signing up. And there you go guys, my BigCartel has been created. It was super easy and it literally took 2 minutes to create my own account. So now we can get started with our setting up our store. You will see the option of dashboard, orders, product, discounts, and account right here. So the thing is, we can now add a product, we can explore shipping profiles, connect a payment process, design your shop, launch your shop. So let's design our shop. I will simply click on design my shop and it will take me to the window where I can actually design my shop. So you can see right here that this is my profile right here. So what's gonna happen is, this is my shop right now. They have selected this theme and this is the information that just came from my Google account, from my email. So what's gonna happen is I will click on design and it will take me to the different themes and page where I can actually design my shop. So you can see right here that BigCartel has pretty good options to design your shop. You are going to find settings right here, header image and slideshows, colors, and different features, for example product per page and maximum products and stuff like that. So let's get started. Now what you have to do is you simply go to themes first, and let me choose a good theme for my shop right here. So right now the theme is this one, which is called Luna or something. So this is the theme right now. Let's check out any other theme if I like. Okay, this one looks pretty good, so I will use this theme for my shop and I will simply click on OK, and it will change the theme to this one. There you go. Now this will be the theme for my shop. This looks pretty good, and this is the name of my shop. I can actually edit it out if I want to. Simply click on that and you can edit it. After that, product search, cart, contact, and I can add different things right here. So once I have selected the theme, I think it looks pretty good. You can check out, there are many themes to choose from, and you can go for any of the themes. Okay, this one also looks pretty good. Okay, let me check this one out actually. Where it is. There it is. Okay, so use this one. So this is the look for this one. There will be this image and a product will be shown right here. So I think this also looks pretty good. What I have to do is now I will start adding, images and different things. So these were themes. I will simply go to settings right here, and I can go for a header logo. Of course, I will select an image and I will add image from my computer. So this is going to be my header image right here. Then we have to add a welcome image. So I will click again and select the image from my computer. So right now I am actually going with very random images, but you can go ahead and add the images. Of course, the images you have selected for your website or the images that you have of your product. So for now I am going with these two. These look pretty good, but I am giving you an overview how you can actually add the images and how your shop is going to look. So then you will find the option of products right here. If I go to products, then it will take me to the product page, and I can now add products right here. And let's change the colors as well if I want to. So let's go with the primary text color. It's going to be black. Okay, now announcement text. If there are different announcement text, I can add them right here. Welcome header, welcome subheader, then accent pattern style, and enable collection, navigation items, featured items, and different product per page. If I want to add 20 products per page, this is pretty good. And then I can add Twitter URL, Facebook URL, my Tumblr URL. So you can add these. There are many options that are available on BigCartel, and I think BigCartel is one of the best platforms to create your online store because it allows you to create these amazing stores with a lot of options that are given. You can simply go to pages and you will be able to add different pages to your store. You can simply click on add a new page, and a new page is added to your store. All you have to do is just simply name your page and add the details right here. If you want to, you will see this is how the page will look, and you simply click on done and a new page is created. So once your store looks pretty good, you can just simply go ahead and click on publish, or you can discard if you do not like it. You can actually get a view as well, a tablet view, or maybe a phone view as well. So this is pretty good that you will actually, and you will be able to find the pages right here. If you want to switch between the pages, you will find them right here. And this is going to be the first page that I customized a bit, and I can get the desktop view, I can get the mobile view for that, and I can go to product page, products, contact card, maintenance, and YouTube video. These are the different pages, and we can go to pages to customize them one by one. So once you have added all the pages, you have added all the information, you have added all the products, then you will be ready to launch your store. Make sure to add good information, good products, and you will be able to sell online with BigCartel. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you have an idea how BigCartel.com works and how you can come to this window where you can actually customize your own store. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.